Alright guys, welcome back to another hair review video. Thank you to Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video. We are going to get into this gorgeous hair, this Brazilian hair from them, and let's go in and see. It's a 6.4.5 weight with breathable caps. Let's talk about the breathable cap. Inside, as you guys see, so we have that there. We do have a band because we're making this with glueless. There is no lace to cut off, which is absolutely beautiful, and it's a bob. So we're gonna go in. It's a middle part. We're gonna go in and we're gonna style this wig. The quality feels good so far, so I'm super excited to see what this wig is gonna bring. Let's go. Are you guys ready? Let's go. Look at the lace. Look at that. Alright guys, we're gonna style the wig. I put the makeup on. We're gonna add it to the mannequin head. It's a bob wig, as you guys can see. Love it. Feels good.
I just wanna know if you my friend. I just wanna know if you pretending. I know I've been away. I'm just trying to get my mind straight. Don't let it go, let it go. Don't let it slip away.
Do we need anything like for a minute? Let's just look. Do we need anything? This is beautiful. Nadula, come on now. Come on now. Alright guys, so it's completely glueless. We're gonna use the Ebony hairspray, and I'm just gonna tab it down and make the baby hairs because we want it to look so natural. So, alright guys, right there. It's beautiful though. I like it.
Take your spotlight. If I wrote you a symphony, just to say how much you mean to me, what would you do? If I told you you were beautiful, would you date me on the regular? Tell me, would you? Well, baby, I've been around the world, but I ain't seen myself another girl like you. This ring here represents my heart, but there's just one thing I need from you. Say I do, because I can see us holding hands, walking on the beach, our toes in the sand. I can see us on the countryside, sitting on the grassland side by side. You could be my baby, let me make you my lady. Girl, you amaze me, ain't gotta do nothing crazy. See, all I want you to do is be my love. So don't give away my love. So don't give away my love.
Alright guys, this is the hair. Thank you Nadula Hair for sponsoring this video, sending me this beautiful easy to install wig. This is for anyone who likes to wear wig and you don't want to have a problem. This is a protective style and it's summer, so how about something short? Absolutely love it. It's lightweight. All I did was clip the ends. We literally didn't have to do anything to it, and this ear is beautiful. So thanks again. Every details to this wig will be down below. It's 6 by 4.5 lace, and we didn't fluff, we didn't do nothing. Okay, you see? So I absolutely love it. So thank you, Nadula. I will see you guys in the next one. Let's get into this slow-mo. Make sure you guys check the description. It will be down there. Their entire store will be in the description. So make sure you check it out. I'll see you guys in the next one.
Baby, you don't know.